How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your printer in Lychee Slicer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to, of course, click on the 3D printer option at the top corner of your screen. And then to finally add your printer, you just want to click on the Add option. In here, you want to select whether you're using something like a resin printer or a filament printer. Select the right company, and then you want to select the model that you are currently using. So from there, it will then look something like this. You could just click on the gear icon in that specific printer. And then to finally connect it with our Lychee Slicer, you then want to select the Discover option. And then there's two ways that you could do this. The first one is automatically by navigating or by pairing it over your network, or you could also search it by the IP address of this specific printer. And so you could just type it right here, or you could connect your printer into the same network. And so they will be able to simply discover each other. You could just click on your printer and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.